race between animals. This is a battle between families. Each family represents a different way nature has evolved for speed, survival, and movement. Different body types, different strategies, different strengths. Three families will compete, each in their own round. Only the best from each family will advance, and only one family will prove it is truly built to run. Before the race begins, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment which family you think will dominate today. Lock it in. Let's begin. Round 1 begins with the antelope family. This is the family built for speed, agility, and survival on open ground. Every runner here is born to run, but only the most complete racers will advance. 10 antelopes step onto the track. Gazelle, light frame, explosive acceleration. Springbok, elastic strides, sharp bursts of speed. Impala, agile movement with rapid direction control. Red deer, long stride, strong legs, built for sustained pace. Saiga antelope, steady rhythm, controlled breathing. Kudu, tall body, surprising speed once moving. Eland, massive for an antelope, relying on momentum. Sable antelope, muscular build, attacking the run.
3, 2, 1, go!
Gazelle launches forward instantly. Race pace in just a few strides. Legs moving faster than expected. Waterbuck holds a steady line. Oryx remains calm, thinking long term. Second place, Springbok. Third place, Red Deer. 3 antelopes advance.
3,
Cal and Serval explode out fast, chasing the early lead. Puma accelerates cleanly, staying composed. Lion and Tiger charge hard, but size limits early acceleration. Leopard slips into position, conserving energy. Jaguar drives forward with raw force. Snow Leopard and Lynx refuse to rush. Early in the race, Cheetah leads decisively. Caracal fights to stay close. Puma holds third